Hello everyone, my name is Kim. I'm the Sephora Pro Makeup Artist and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you 10 common mistakes that beginners do. So I'm going to apply on this side the don't and on the other side the do's. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. So let's get started. The first common mistake is not preparing your skin before makeup application. On this side, I'm not gonna apply anything, while on the other side, I'm gonna use the Sephora collection All Day Hydrating Moisturizer. It's super lightweight. One pro tip, do not apply your moisturizer as an eye cream. Instead, invest on buying an eye cream because eye cream are specially formulated for under the eye. The last prep step is I'm going to apply a face primer. My favorite is the Sephora collection Beauty Amplifier Smoothing Primer. I'm going to apply this one on the side of the dew side of Talita's face. And what it does, it acts like a barrier and at the same time your makeup will last longer. The second common mistake is choosing the wrong foundation shade and using the wrong tool. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Soft Filter Foundation and I am going to swatch this one from the jawline up to the cheeks. Why? Because this will give me the most accurate foundation shade that you're looking for. I'm gonna use the Sephora collection foundation brush. This is number 56. It blends naturally and it gives that flawless look that you're looking for. How many of you enter Sephora store and they swatch their foundation at the back of your hand? Many of you, right? So do not apply the foundation shade at the back of your hand because it doesn't give you the best representation of it. If you're going to apply at the back of your hand and compare it, it looks correct. While if you're gonna compare it on the skin color, on the face, it's not correct. Also, do not apply it with the fingers. Why? Because it gives you that uneven finish and it will look so dry all over the face. If you wanna know more about choosing the right undertone, texture, and formula, please comment down below. The next step is overloading your concealer. It's gonna highlight your under eye and also your eye bags. While on the do side, you wanted to apply your concealer only on the part where it's needed. So I'm applying this one only in the corner. That is where the darkness is. And blend it with the same concealer brush and do the tapping motion to make sure that you will have the flawless effect under the eye area. The next mistake is not setting your foundation and concealer with a powder. On the don't side, I'm not gonna set or apply anything, while on the do side, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder together with my Sephora collection number 90 complexion featherweight brush. I am just gently tapping this and removing the excess. I will take another round of the powder and gently dusting it off all over the face. So let's move on with the eyes. The next biggest mistake is not priming your eyelids. So on the don't side, I'm not gonna apply any primer. Now on the do side, I'm gonna apply the Sephora collection eyeshadow primer onto the lids. Eye primer will help your eyeshadow to look more vivid and vibrant, and this will keep your eyeshadow from creasing. Another mistake is using a shimmery or a metallic shade on the crease. I'm using the Tartelette in Blue in Tarte Eyeshadow Palette in Firecracker. Why I suggest not to use a shimmery on the crease? Because it highlights any texture on that area. I'm using the shade Rebel because this will act as a transition shade and it will give you a much more defined look. A common mistake that beginners do is applying loads of mascara. I'm gonna be using Damn Girl Mascara from Too Faced. I'm gonna apply the mascara at the same time. So I'm gonna layer and do it again. This will give you a clamp effect. While on the do side, you would want to tilt up your head while you're applying it from the roots till the end of your lashes. Also wait for a couple of seconds until you do the next layer. And this will give you the most fluffy and natural looking lashes. Now for the bronzer, you don't want to choose an orange bronzer. Now I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer. So I choose something that is too orange. It doesn't suit her skin, and you can see that it's obviously a wrong tone of a bronzer. While on the do side, I'm gonna use the same Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer, but it's in shade in Private Island. This shade has the perfect amount of bronzer that suits my model's skin tone. For the blush, I'm going to pick a wrong undertone for her face. So if you are warm, you want to make sure that you're choosing a much more peach or orange undertone blush. While if you are cool, you must pick a pink or rose undertone blush. Now for the lips, I'm gonna use the Becca Ultimate Lip Liner. For the don't side, I'm gonna overline her lips. Do not overline the lips too far out. This will not only look so unflattering, also it looks super unnatural. While on the do side, you wanna make sure that you outline her lips following her natural lip line to give her a contoured, perfect lips. Alright guys, I hope you guys learned a lot today. Keep in mind, this video is for beginners, so if you are intermediate or advanced, don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions or any videos that you would like to see. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and show us some love. Until next time, bye for now.